What is up everybody, Gistic here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reduce the picture file size in Windows 10. Let's get into it. Okay, so today I'm going to be reducing the file size of this picture right here. Yeah, I'm going to show you how much the file size is. So you go to properties and the size is 461 kilobytes. Hell yeah. And then to find out the actual size of the picture, you want to go to details, and it is under dimensions. It is 1920 by 1200. So that's good to know. I'm going to click OK, and then we're going to go ahead and open up Paint. So you want to type Paint in the search bar. Click on that. Now you could just drag it in, but what we're going to do is open it up properly. So you want to go File, Open. Where is it saved? It's saved in the desktop. Click that. It's now opened. So here's the picture. Okay, so to reduce the file size, what we're going to do is under Image, we're going to click this little resize button, or you can click Control W. And then as you can see, we're going to change the percentage. Okay, we're going to change the percentage now. As you can see, it's 100, so we're going to go ahead and change it to, I don't know, 50. Click OK, and now it has been resized. And then you want to go click File, click Save or Save As. I'm just going to save it, and then you can exit out of this. And now we have the new fully saved picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. Go to Properties. It is now 312 kilobytes, and the dimensions now are 960 by 600. So that is how you reduce the file size for an image. Yeah, you may need to do this because file sizes can be too big for like emails, YouTube banners, like profile pictures, just a whole bunch of stuff, guys. I hope this did help you. If it did, please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And click the bell to be notified when we do upload a new video. That is basically it from me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and peace out.